go way back. I was actually 14 when I started, and so syempre ang dami namin napagdaanan. We go through so much, especially yun nga, same kami ni Darren, mga pinagdaanan, pero we really just want to continue to motivate also mga kapamilya namin na ituloy niyo lang po yung mga pangarap niyo, work hard, and syempre it's also very important na you also keep in touch with the people that you love, and of course the faith, diba? Kaya this is very, I'm very thrilled to be here with all of you. And so, I have been working on some music, and I'd like to share a song that I released during the pandemic. Kasi nung pandemic, of course, kumusta pala kayo dito nung pandemic? Naka-duty! Wala ba kayong ano? Kumusta? Mga nurses. Uy, can I also just say mabuhay din po sa ating mga OFW na mga nurses? Kasi